To all you guys that want to spice up your party a little bit, and maybe your kids don't believe in leprechauns or Santa or whatever, we have just the solution for you. Now, we've partnered up with Sing Telegram to bring you our new holiday packages because of COVID-19 regulations, blah, blah, blah. We are now working with real leprechauns to bring you anything to spice up your St. Patrick's Day event. Now, he can do it all. He's a singer, he's dancing, he's one of the most skilled bagpipe players ever. And all you have to do is call us up. You must RSVP, because if not, I mean, he has a lot of work to do, so there's a lot of stuff going on. You must RSVP so you can get yourself a ticket. We only go by hour, so prices are down below. Link in the description, and we are mobile, so let us know. Thank you so much.